So today I will show you how to save the MACCOR data. So first we have to choose a channel, select a channel. I am selecting 37. Make sure you have selected. Once you selected, then you can go on the top menu and click on the graph option. But make sure it's selected. Then click here. It will open a new window within another MIMS client software. Here you can play. There are two windows. One is for voltage profile and one is for cycle life. Here you can see. Here you can see capacity, cycle number, and click here if you want to change and choose the options. In the options, you can choose the first option and change to milliamp, and then choose the plot specific capacities. Then click OK. Now you can see its specific capacities are plotted versus cycle number. So if you want to make changes in this graph, voltage profile, so you can click here and then options, first option, and then remove this unnecessary current and then click OK. Now the graph is like this. Now we can save it. Just go to the file. Make sure you save all charts. You can also save one chart, the chart which you have already clicked. But make sure you save all charts. That's better. And here you can write the name of file, or if name is same, it will be replaced. I am just replacing, and no data is saved. Now I will close this and I will show you how to open it again. Now we have data in our folder. There is another software, related software, which is called MIMS Client 2. And it's also from the MACCOR. And as you can see, incorporation MIMS Client 2. Click on File, open the chart. You can choose the MCF file. Open it. So now the files are here. You can play with the files, and you can also save into the text file or export. In next video, I will show you how to export. Please check my next video. Thank you very much.